Yeah, so my project this weekend was kind of just to get this front clip disassembled. That inner fender's good. That one there has your classic battery rot around the front, so I need to fix that front radiator support down there. This fender, I gotta see maybe if I can do that. They sell a replacement, like one that you can weld in there. I just gotta see how far up that one goes, and maybe I can salvage this fender, because the rest of the fender's good. It's just where the front bumper got pushed back up into it. So either it can be saved, or I'm going to buy a new fender, one or the other. But this fender over here is good. No Bondo or anything on it. It's got a small ding I see there near the top, but everything looks good on it. So got it all apart, and start repairing this front radiator support. See if I can't salvage it, and then get that inner fender all cleaned up and then shot with some new paint. Cab is coming along good. It's floors and everything turned out great in it. And it's got some primer going on. Got some seam sealer over there to seal up some seams, try to prevent any further water intrusion causing rust. Anyway, more to come. All right, so I'm looking at this bottom of this passenger front fender, and I believe that I will be able to like weld in that replacement little piece that they sell, because I don't believe the damage extends up far enough that I can't butt weld that other one in and make it work. Save some money there from having to buy a new fender. This one here, I just wanted to try to bend it out a little bit just to see, you know, if I could straighten it out just enough there to make that other one work. And I think I can. So, okay, I'll keep working on this. Okay, so I got the lower part of that cut out, and then I was able to use a hammer and dolly and crest that crease out. And the process, I've got domed it out a little bit there, but I got to straighten it out. But I believe there is more than enough metal there to stitch in that $54 piece instead of having to buy a full fender. I think that the rest of that metal looks pretty good. It's thick enough that I'll be able to weld to without blowing through. So that's the route that I will be going.